juggling multiple countertop appliances, waiting forever for a conventional oven to preheat, or struggling with basic toaster ovens that dry out food usually means compromising on mealtime speed and precision. The Chef IQ MiniOven Smart Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo redefines the countertop appliance category by pairing a high-powered convection architecture and expansive multifunction versatility with intelligent app connectivity. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its high-output 3,200 revolutions per minute DC motor paired with a custom stainless steel interior lining. Driven by 1750W of power and 6 independent heating elements, it achieves a temperature range of 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing it to roast and air fry up to 30% faster than conventional countertop ovens. The specialized internal cavity layout maximizes heat reflectivity and retention, ensuring uniform heat distribution for everything from delicate pastries to crispy wings. Performance and versatility reach an elite level through a comprehensive suite of 11 dedicated cooking functions, spanning baking, air frying, roasting, broiling, air broiling, toasting, dehydrating, slow cooking, reheating, proofing, and keeping warm. Day-to-day operation is streamlined via a responsive color touchscreen control panel featuring haptic feedback and built-in audio alerts. Furthermore, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity link the oven to the Chef IQ app, enabling remote monitoring, hundreds of guided chef presets, and compatibility with the IQ Sense smart thermometer for pinpoint temperature tracking. Things to consider before you buy, because it features a generous 25-quart capacity capable of fitting a 13-inch pizza or a 9x13-inch baking tray. It has a substantial countertop footprint that requires adequate clearance space around the unit. Additionally, while most cooking functions can be started remotely via the smartphone app, safety protocols require manual confirmation on the unit itself for direct broiling, air broiling, and toasting. So who is this really for? This smart oven is an absolute home run for busy families, home cooks, and tech-forward food enthusiasts who want to replace multiple standalone appliances with a single, high-performance countertop powerhouse. If you live in an ultra-minimalist tiny home or only ever make a single slice of toast once a week, its heavy-duty multi-cooking capabilities will vastly exceed your daily needs. Is it worth the money? If you value lightning-fast convection cooking, precise app-guided recipes, seamless touchscreen controls, and true all-in-one culinary versatility wrapped in a sleek design, it is a premier, state-of-the-art investment for your kitchen.